I wanted to have a break this week without filming anything, but I cannot. I could not hide this from you guys. So, welcome to Sicilia. Hi guys, and welcome to Sicilia. Today we are in Sicily. When you think about Sicily, what would be the first thing you're gonna think of? Not that one. Guys, no, please. I already told you in my previous video that we are not thinking about that thing.
Godfather.
Okay, when I say Sicilia, two things coming to my mind. First, delicious Sicilian food, and second, beautiful, gorgeous Sicilian Barocco. And in this video, I will show you both what to see in Sicilia and what to eat in Sicily. By the way, guys, have you been to Sicilia before? Please drop me a comment down below. What was your favorite place to see and what was your favorite food to try? Let's go. Let's start our little tour from gorgeous Catania. Catania is the second largest city in Sicilia. Population of this place is a little bit above 311,000 people. Yeah, that's it. Catania was founded in the 8th century before Christ by Greeks. Catania is older than Rome. Wow. I would call the most recognizable place in Catania would be Duomo di Catania, and this one is Italian Barocco. If you love art as much as I do, I highly recommend you guys visiting Sicilia. Here you will find a number of work of art in Italian Barocco. One of the most interesting questions, what would be the best time to come to Sicilia? Guys, I would recommend you coming here starting from April, May to the mid of June, because after middle of June to the very end of August, the temperature might surprise you. It might rise up to 48 degrees Celsius, and also in August, when it's Ferragosto in Italy, Sicilia is overcrowded. Coming to Sicilia or to actually any part of Italy, food is always a part of experience. So let's find out what would be the most traditional Sicilian food. Disclaimer right away, I'm here just for a few days, so I will show you something super traditional, but far not everything, guys. 1 week is not enough to film all food Sicilia can offer. First food I'm gonna show you in Sicilia, arancini. Question number one. If you watched my previous video about traditional Roman food, what's the difference between supplì and arancini? First of all, the size. You see how not big it is. And second, a supplì, they have very traditional recipe and they always contain ragu, the meat or mozzarella cheese, and rice. Arancini can be filled with pretty much everything, with meat, with fish, with vegetables. Okay, let's dig in.
Few moments later.
Same place, 2 seconds later. Let's switch to sweet stuff in Sicilia. So this is orange arancia in dark chocolate, and of course my favorite, like the reason of coming to Sicilia, Cannoli Siciliani. Lots of cream, lots of pistachio. Absolutely must try thing when you're next time in Sicilia. That's amazing. Cassata Siciliana. It's my second time in Sicilia, but cassata I'm trying for the first time. I have no idea what it's made of, but I'm telling you right away, lots of sugar. Let's taste. Oh my god, it's so much sugar. It's extremely sweet, but so nice. Guys, seriously. Semifreddo a Pistachio, another very traditional Sicilian dessert you must try when you are in Sicily. I never tried it before, so it's my first time. It's like pistachio ice cream with pistachio coating, with whipped cream and chocolate on top of it. Guys, after having these desserts every single day you are in Sicilia, you can just contact your dentist and make him happy that he's gonna be rich soon. Yes!
3 hours later.
Our next stop is traditional Sicilian dinner. Let's see what's for dinner in this gorgeous island. Ta-da! Traditional Sicilian dining experience. Look at this gorgeous place. It's 7:30. But the restaurant is empty. If you don't know this, you should definitely watch my previous video. The dinner in Italy starts really late, and especially in places like Sicilia or Sardinia, you cannot expect your dinner to be served before 7:30 p.m. As we discussed before, very traditional experience you can have in Sardinia. In Sicilia, I would advise you going for fish dinner. Well, look where we are. This traditional fish dinner will include local, obviously super fresh fish, local wine, water, pasta and dessert. The price is fixed, but there are lots of other items on the menu, so you can choose them. But the experience is gorgeous. When you're in Sicilia next time, just go to a fish restaurant and ask for their special menu, fixed menu. Kitchen, guys.
Tomorrow.
As you all know by now, the traditional breakfast in Rome is cappuccino e cornetto, but shall we check what traditional Sicilian breakfast looks like? Traditional Sicilian breakfast, it is cup of coffee, cappuccino, granita, Sicilian granita, and traditional Sicilian pastry brioche. Granita might look like ice cream, but it's actually not. It doesn't contain any milk, like gelato, for example, and the technique of cooking granita is totally different.
Two hours later.
And our next stop is gorgeous luxury Taormina. I can understand what attracts tourists from all over the world here. The atmosphere here, guys, it's gorgeous. I cannot explain how I feel here. Yes, you are still in Italy, you are still in Sicilia, but the vibe of this place, it's totally different. As old saying going, you're coming to places for bread and circuses. I don't like those words, so let's just say I came to Taormina for sweets and places. For sweets and entertainment. Let's start with sweets. That's the oldest and the most famous
Laboratorio.
Laboratorio, grazie. Laboratorio di Roberto, and this is the best cannoli in Taormina. Let's start with this place. So this is how Cannoli Siciliani actually made. Wow. Yes, I'm showing you the whole process, guys.
One I make fast, huh?
So how old is this place?
How old
Is this
for 40.
40 years?
Yeah.
Wow. 40 years of history of making best cannoli in Sicilia.
Ready?
Grazie, grazie. Guys, remember this place. If you want to try one of the best cannolis in Sicilia, in Taormina, you should try Roberto's place. I will drop you the link to the description of this video. Mamma mia. Grazie davvero.
Grazie.
Taormina, Roberto's Laboratorio. Guys, it's a must. Now I need to take a picture with that cannolo and tell to my follower that, man, that was good.
Thank you.
Now, yeah, we tried quite a few, but this one is, wow. I hope you're enjoying this Sicilian experience we're having here. If you do, please smash that like button and also consider subscribing to my channel to see even more interesting places around the world. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this video. I will see you next week. Stay safe, be happy, and get ready to travel the world.